Hey girl, hey, it's me, Bailey, and today I'm doing a slime collection. I just made 2 more, so they're gonna be a little sticky and stuff like that. But look, that nail came off, that nail came off, and that nail came off. So I only have 2 nails on this one, so please don't make fun of me. But this one is okay. So the first slime that is the recent one is this one. It's called the pink slime. Just open it up. And this is my favorite. This is fluffy slime. And it's not sticky one bit. I'll do this slow. I need to do this slow. Hold on. Ooh, switch. Oh my god. See, I love how the pink one swirls. That's why I wanted to make a pink. There's that swirl. Sorry, yes. It's just a little sticky. It was so big that I had to mix it into a different slime, which is my sister's slime, which I'm not allowed to play with because it's her slime. But I mixed it in with hers, so that's the first one I pulled off. This is my favorite slime. It's called the sea slime. It's out of dish soap and glue and okay, well, I did a video on it, so you guys should see that. This is my favorite. Look how pretty that is. If you guys want to try this out, you totally should. It's like the most awesomest slime ever. Flipperoo. And then I just twist mine to make it more pretty when it comes down in a swirl. I'm going to put all of them in a swirl except for one. It's a little sticky, and here's that swirl.
This is ready.
I don't have that much slime because I'm a newbie, so yeah. So my mom's gonna give me my sister's slime, which I will show you. Okay, this is the peach slime, which foam balls in it. This one's not really a poking slime. I added something in it and it just made it hard. And I just lost a nail. Again. I've been losing nails everywhere, guys. Jeez. See, look. It's hard. Not stretchy. So that one's kind of a waste. So oh yeah, I got the containers at Dollar Tree, so like the super good.
Alright, here you go.
Now this one I need a spoon or something for. Oh, look at that. It's not sticking. This one's not sticking. Yay. This one's my favorite right now. It used to stick to me. Let me just do a swirl. Oh, switcheroo. This is a good swirl. I thought this one was going to be a bad swirl. Pretty good. It's not the best swirl. And this is called just a blue slime. I was going to call it Galaxy, but it doesn't look like a galaxy. So, there are all my slimes.
Come get Lacey's.
And now it's time for my sisters. Ooh, there's some bubbles. You guys should know that I love my bubbles. So, bubble pop. Bubble pop. Is this sticky, Mommy?
No.
Okay. Okay. Oh, look at that. This is like giant slime.
It's a lot and very heavy.
It is very heavy, my mom says. Oh, that is. Wait, I don't think I can do a swirl.
You might have to break it into a smaller piece.
Oh, switcheroo. I'm trying my best to do a swirl.
It's not showing up on camera. You're
I
going to
know.
have to cut it in half, honey.
I know it's not.
Okay, well,
So there's that. My mom's just watching a cop show right now. Since this is giant, I am going to try to make a giant bubble with it. Oh, that's going to be a good one. But I need to make it. But it's not showing up on camera. I'm like trying to trap the air. It didn't make a bubble. Let me try one more time. Oh, it made a lot of small bubbles. Yeah. This is my sister's and I'm playing with that. I feel like a bad kid now. Do what you gonna do when they come for you.
no break. Oh, soldier money, giving no break. And the answer is giving no break. Hey, hey. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?